Hello, Harvest here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix some issues with the Alibaba on iOS. So first what you want to do is go up to the App Store, go to the search here, go to Alibaba, and you need to look for the update on here. And if you got when I get the open bar, if you got the update, you should update your app. And if after you update to the newest version Alibaba, if you still got some issues and problems, there are two more ways to fix it. First way is go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, Alibaba, and here you need to do everything, like every settings on the fabric, like here your language, search bar, and Siri. Here everything should be like this. But if you still got some issues, any problems, you just need to go here, take your Alibaba, remove app, uninstall, and go here and reinstall this app. If video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.